Damn, look at this, y'all. The Varis kit. STI, this shit is so insane. No, that's the same one. Damn, this is hard. Type R, sick. All right, now I'm about to record everything. All right, no good lighting. Damn, this is cheeks. Look at that right there. I think that's the cleanest one. So we got that. So this is like a big ass carbon. This is actually nice right here. Check out that carbon. Sheesh, that is hard.
Oh yeah, I want to get a carbon link for my seat.
Oh, bruh.
Yeah, it's scraping. Oh shit.
I think it's one of the homies.
It must be.
Yeah, it's one of the homies, bro. Damn. That's hard. See, now it's official. I gotta get my goddamn carbon, bro. Everybody got carbon hoods and shit.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I gotta get one. That's what it means.
My broke ass got one. Y'all can do it.
Yeah, this shit's nice.
Yeah, anything possible.
Sick.
I didn't find out.
Type R. Oh, I like how you did that front.
Everybody's getting carbon fiber right now.
Right. You get a carbon. You get a carbon.
So yeah, so it's a lot of shit over here, man.
That's rap though.
Yeah.
Yeah. They GTR.
I don't know. Alright. Yeah, like.
Alright. That one's hard. That GTR's hard. Type R here.
I know.
Oh, so what should I do?
Hey, we
Type R? Zon.
opposite.
What should I do? What should I do?
Fucking cars.
Type R, GTR.
GTR. No question. I'm sorry.
But you was freaking out. No question. You was freaking out though with the goddamn Type R though.
Yeah, nigga, I see GTR. Nigga, every time I see a GTR, nigga, I have a panic attack, nigga.
But everybody voted me to get, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro was Nick was saying it's crazy how people really voted this
over this.
over that.
Like,
But for me, my followers want.
what would you rather have, bro?
If I could pick both,
Okay.
Shit.
What would you rather have?
I don't know. This one is fun though. This one is fun. This one is fun. You know what I'm saying?
I love Type R's too.
But I gotta look at the Nismo. This is some real shit right here. Damn, Nismo. Oh, damn, look at the Type R game right there, Don. That Type R is the hardest. That white one.
That one's clean as fuck too. That one's clean as fuck also.
Oh, you get
Gray one, bro, might be my favorite. Don't ever in your life disrespect my goddamn car culture.
damn, the Type R game. Man, this made me want to get a Type R so bad. Sheesh. Hey, you know what? I'm about to record you guys. I'm about to have you guys read out my tire lettering. Let's go read it out. It's supposed to say Pirelli 01s. Okay. Each tire is different.
Can I read them?
Okay. You read one and she read the next one.
All
so the
right.
first tire, what this one say?
This Pirelli.
And then what that bottom say? I think this one actually is the finest.
Yep, that's what I was
Peaser.
thinking too.
So that's the Pirelli Peaser.
Really Peaser.
Then this one.
Pirelli P.
Pirelli P. All right. We go and go. Oh no, this one is going to make you sound retarded.
I want a Camaro, bro.
No,
But,
with this one. Oh, okay. Well, that one's not.
one's,
It kind of matched the other one.
Pirelli P.
Pirelli P.
Okay, so I got two Pirelli P's,
You got two Pirelli P.
and then I got shit on that one. So that's the art.
And you got a no-name tire.
And I did not see the Audi R8 here. What the fuck?
Is that GT. GT.
Wow.
You're better.
Wow.
You're better off.
Wow.
At least his friend said. I don't think he heard you.
Wow.
His friend said it, so
Wow.
I think you're okay.
Fucking retarded. God damn, I feel like you. Don't pay attention to my last one.
That's the fucking RSX with the kid.
Where?
That's the RSX. Alright, does he have the kid?
Oh, we kept walking past that shit.
Oh my fucking, I need RSX.
Yeah.
My friend Yui.
Oh, you got to install at home?
Yeah, he charged me like
Oh, those wheels are hard though. I like those
could
wheels.
have been worse.
That's hard.
That's nuts.
Look at these wheels. That shit hard. That shit's hard. And this shit is vinyl wrap. And it's so dark you can't see nothing. But yeah. didn't broke my splitter when I came up here one day. Varis kit is so hard. The Varis kit on that car is insane. Type R's with the nice APR wing. Sheesh. Damn, that shit's hard. That is like the perfect STI. Damn, all the GTRs. Sheesh. That's my cue to get the fuck out of here. No, they pulled over the Varis. Oh my god, they pulled over the Varis kit STI WRX. No fucking way, bro.
Tell these dudes to move, bro.
So now we're about to go to the bro's house.